Bam. Here we go. Hey guys, just wanted to show you, look what I got from my dealer. A brand spanking new, old school, well not brand new, but brand new to me, a BR 420 Magnum. Guess how much I paid for this thing, guys? I'm so freaking excited. $150. Yes, I did. 150 bucks. When I saw it, he said, yo, somebody just came in, brought it in, homeowner, older cat. Basically, you know, he got too heavy for him. He stopped doing his lawn and have somebody doing it. So he wanted to get him, I guess, you know, trade it in or whatever. But look at this thing, guys. This thing is super clean. It's got a couple of scratches right here, but this is super clean, man. I couldn't pass it up, guys. Tell me what you think. Guys, good morning. It's gonna be myself and Steven this morning. And this is Steven truck. Say yo, say what's up, man.
How y'all doing today?
Good. This is Steven Riggs, so give the man his courtesy and let him drive. All right, let's go fill up this new. Oh, I got a little surprise I'm gonna show you guys at the gas station. What is that, guys? A brand new Vantage 36. A 2016 Vantage 36. How many hours it has? Can you see it? 0. How you like a new mower, man?
That's great, awesome.
Yeah, boy. Hey, so I get a lot of people that ask me which mower. Hold on for a second here. I get a lot of guys that ask me which mower is the best. The one that cut grass? Because at the end of the day, guys, it doesn't matter what mower you have, right? You know, if your butt don't get up to mow the grass, it ain't gonna happen. Now, I'm only kidding. That's one reason too. But guys, keep in mind, you pick the mower that is best, that you think gives you the best cut for your type of turf. Simple as that. Simple as that, guys. Another factor that you need to consider is your dealer. Okay, your dealer has to be able. Let me roll this up, man, because I can't hear. Your dealer have to be able to service your equipment and give you a quick return. Come on, guys, you know, you got to think about it. You know, it doesn't matter what kind of mower you purchase, it is going to break. Tell him, man.
Yeah,
I'm telling you.
every mower breaks. You know, it's just life as far as just business and working, how the mower been built, as far as, you know, equipment.
Yeah.
Equipment breaks down, equipment have wear and tear.
There you go. All mowers break, guys. Eventually they're gonna break. My dealer is about 2.5-3 miles from my shop and my home, and they give me an extremely fast return on my repairs, especially if for any reason my repair is going to take a little bit longer than usual. They'll give me a loaner. You know, they have a lot of demo units, and I'm yet to have an issue with a lawnmower and my dealer says, you know, hey man, you asked out. It hasn't happened as yet. All right.
12, 15%. 1 o'clock, 15%.
Yeah.
Then it goes to 2 o'clock, 25.
Yeah. So we have a rain cloud above us, guys. So it's raining outside. We're gonna just sit it out and wait a few minutes. But like I was saying before, I think a lot of us Do me a favor and turn it. No, the windshield wiper. Yeah. I think a lot of us get too caught up on YouTubers lawnmowers. You know, the way we glamorize mowing, and we make these nice videos, and you know, it gives you that impression that, you know, it's just beautiful and lovely. We can just go wham wham wham. A lot of us don't film the double cuts. You know, we edit a lot. So what you see, guys, here on YouTube is you know, a lot of times it's not reality now. You know, you can't see the heat on YouTube. You don't see the heat on YouTube. We tend to not film when you know, when we have a breakdown, or you know, when the mower is not cutting right. I'm telling you guys, listen, pick the mower that is best for your turf type. Pick the mower that has the best support behind them, and pick the mower that you are more comfortable with. You know, if I have a stand on, you know, you might want to sit down. You might want to walk behind. You know what I mean? We are all different. We are all in a different locations, and we're all cutting different type of turfs. And our cutting styles are completely different. You know, we both may be from Savannah, and I cut a certain different way. It doesn't mean it's wrong, because we're all making money. Okay? All right, let's keep it moving. All right, guys, so we finished the first one. So it took us 20 minutes to finish the first property, and I am soaked. But it's only water. It'll dry. Basically, it's a cloud. It's a moving cloud above us. So we're gonna just continue the process. All right, let's keep it moving. Alright guys, here we are at the next one. We will not be filming at this one, but I'll show you the after. Alright guys, this is the end result. This is what it looks like. It's freaking raining, guys. It is coming down. Steven is just finishing blowing it back. But this is crazy. Oops. Yep. Yep, this is part of being in the lawn care business, guys. That's the part nobody filmed, right? Yeah, it is coming down. I'm getting soaked. Where the heck is Steven? He's in the back there blowing the porch off. All right, there he goes. All right, it looks like just a cloud, man. We'll keep it moving. All right, guys, so what we are experiencing today is mainly overhead clouds. You know, we get rain. I mean, it's coming down pretty hard. Then it stops. Rain stops. Rain. So, you know, right now we're soaked. Yeah, look at you. You wet too, man. Yep, we're both soaked, but guess what? Keep doing what we're doing. Huh?
Yep.
It ain't gonna stop us. All right, on to the next. All right, guys. This is the next one. You guys seen this one before. It's St. Augustine, and we're working with it. For some reason during the winter, it kind of started to look like crap. So we're gonna go ahead and put down some nice fertilizer and water it real well. We're not gonna mow it today. We're gonna just blow it off, and you know, give it some time to kind of recoup. All right, guys. This is a finished product. And again, hopefully, we'll send them an email See if we can get some water going. The back is beautiful, guys. But this year, not sure what's going on with the front. It's not being watered. Right. Let's keep it moving. Right. Another one completed. And we're gonna have to figure out what's going on with that little area right there. Just keep an eye on it. Probably put down some fert, or probably till it up and put down some plugs. All right, keep it moving. Guys, this is our soldier.
Yeah, nice, good, clean cut.
Yeah, definitely.
Huh?
Definitely. And it's coming out of dormancy. So you have a couple of brown patches, but you know, soon it'll give it another month or so. It's gonna look real nice. Beautiful, lush property right here, guys. All right.
I love you.